Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So this video we are going to create responsive, beautiful add to cart and buy now button using Figma. Okay, so this is not going to just like drag and drop button or any button, because we are going to learn with this video auto layout concept on Figma. Okay, so first of all I'm gonna open Figma and I'm going to replicate this. Okay, so how I am going to do. So first of all, I'm going to uh, select a text at first. Okay, so I'm going to keep it aside. Okay, so I'm going to select on text. So I can use here shortcut, but if I use shortcut, you will be confused. I know you are a new and beginner, so that's why I'm not going to use any shortcut here. I will use long process. Okay, so you have to just keep watching the video patiently. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to like write add to cart. So I'm going to press on my keyboard caps lock, so that will be transform my uppercase add to cart. Okay, so I'm going to select this tool like move tool, and yes. Now, in order to create auto layout, you can use two steps. Number one, right click on it and make it add auto layout. Or here is showing a keyboard shortcut, that is Shift A. Okay, so you can also use Shift A, or you can also use like frame selection. Okay, so you can use frame selection, but I'm not going to do that. I will directly click on add to auto layout. Okay, so as you can see that my it's uh, like generated frame. So I told you already that when you uh, like make a auto layout, it will convert your normal text to a inside a frame. Okay, so what is this? Oh, this is my sample uh, button. So now I'm going to take this color inside this. Okay, so first of all I'm going to make my font bigger. So how will we will do it? So I'm just using enter here. So you can use Poppins, you can use Roboto, you can use Lato, you can use lots of awesome font. Okay, so in this case I'm going to use enter. So make it like bold. Okay, so you can use extra bold, you can use black, means it's a matlab it's a bigger version of a text. Okay, so I'm going to use bold. I never use extra bold or black, because those are like, I think you should not use your designs in design. So I'm going to make it bold, and I'm going to increase the text size. Okay, so the text size is okay. So I think this is okay. Okay, now you have to just give it a background. So how we will do it? So I just select on it, and now you can see that here it's like a dashboard open. So video might be long, but if you watch patiently, I think your auto layout concept will be also clear by making this two button. Okay, so you can see that here is one option is auto layout. Okay, auto layout. Sometimes you may not have available auto layout, or the in this side in this panel, but that time you have to just select the text like using selection tool, like that's way, like this, and then you have to directly paste on your keyboard Shift A. Okay, so now I'm going to just here you can see that appearance, below the appearance there is option called fill. So if I just click here, it will directly open my library and custom color. Okay, so you have to just like click on add to fill plus bar icon and just click on it. So as you can see that it's white and my text is also white. So my text is gone, like add to cart is gone. So I'm going to select color picker and take this color. Okay, so as you can see that my color is selected, and now you have to just increase margin and padding. Okay, so I think a good design practice, you can use we height like 44 pixel. Okay, so now I'm going to just give it a padding or margin. So as you can see that this button is too big, so this is like too big, so I'm not going to make this bigger. So you can just like this size, you can use this size, so it's up to your choice. Okay, so here you can see that our button edge is like little bit radius, okay, or carved you can say. So how we can carve it? So in appearance tab you can see that there is a option called corner radius. So if I just drag it, or you can directly just enter value here, so I'm not going to do it. Okay, so as you can see that our button is also like carved beside the edge. So now if I just select it, okay, it's that typography selected, and just frame selection, and now I'm going to give it a padding and margin. Okay, so padding means that now the question arises, what is padding? Padding means that no, I'm not going to use margin, I'm going to only use padding. Sorry, I just my phone is rang and my focus like little divert, so that's why I told you something wrong. Okay, so I'm going to select on frame, and now I'm going to just like give it a padding. So you can say that like this this is okay, this is okay. Okay, and now I'm going to give a top. Okay guys, that our button is exactly looking, so I have to just make my text little small. So I'm going to just give it a manual value. So you can say, see that here is 16, 20, 24. So you can like 16, 17, 18, you have to just give it manually here. Okay, 180, matlab, you can give it 18 per 18 pixel, or you can give it 17 pixel. Okay, so like I'm just going to replicate this button, so that's why I'm going to just uh, make this width little bigger. Okay, so in order to increase width, what you have to do is that like this is vertical padding and this is horizontal padding. So I have to also use like, okay, looking almost same, and if I just make it bigger, little bigger. Okay, so our button is looking almost same as there. So one thing I just avoided, that is this cut icon. So where I'm going to get the cut icon? So in order to get a cut icon, you have just to go to this plugin section. Okay, now and you have to search like material icon, and there are lots of plugin available. So I installed two plugin. So material icon is good. So I'm going to like enter here, search here, cut. Okay, so you have to just match the plugin. So I think that this is not available here. So you can use any, like I'm going to use this guy. Okay, so I'm going to use this guy, and I'm just going to make the color white. Okay, so as you can see that our this man is also ready for uses. So I'm going to just make it smaller. So holding shift key, if you just drag it like this, it will be like messy. So I'm going to control Z, and holding shift key, you have to just drag it. Okay, so now if I just move here, so as you can see that our button is auto layout, so that's why it is fit automatically. Okay, so now, so as you can see that our cart is almost, so I'm trying to resize it, but it is not working. Why? Because I set it auto layout. Okay, so I think this is the perfect button. And now if I just like make it bigger, So as you can see that our text and logo is responsive. Okay, so that's where you can use auto layout. So this is the main features of auto layout. So video is getting longer, so I'm not going to make it more longer. So now one thing you can say that if I just make another button, you can make like I made this button. Okay, so you can use the same way. So I'm not going to the second button because video is getting longer. Okay, so one thing I have to tell you that if you like if you want to just click one button and use multiple time, so here in this case the concept is come, that is component. Okay, so in the previous video I told you already what is component. Okay, so you can watch my previous video. I will give the link in my description, or you can go to my playlist section and you will find there. Okay, so this is like really simple button. You can make buy now button. So you just like holding alt key and drag. Okay, holding alt key and drag and just change the text. B U Y buy A no W now. And now you have to just click on it, and here you can just selection color picker, and yes, here buy now button is also ready, and you have to just change this icon. Like if I just search here, so I think you are enjoying the video. So I really love your passion for uh, watching this video, actually my video. But I'm not just like requesting you that watch my video. You can watch any video on YouTube, but I can assure you that the way I teach you like is for absolute beginner. Okay, so now I'm going to search here BUI buy button. Okay, so there is no icon available. Okay, BUI buy now. So now I'm going to use my another plugin, that is icon 8. So I'm going to run this plugin and let's find this. So this is a lighter icon, like energy in electric you see this kind of icon. So video is getting longer, just wait. So now if I just click here and you BUI buy NOW now. Okay, so as you can see that actually this button is copied from Flipkart, so the icon is not available here. So if I just go to Google and search the icon, so this will be really long time. You can just here if I use POWER power and if I search, okay, as you can see that lightning bolt, the same button I got from my iconify icon 8. Okay, so now if I just click on it and holding shift key, just drag it and drop in inside this. So as you can see that our, so I will just make it little smaller. Okay, so you have to just resize it. So another concept I'm going to teach you. So if like if I make it, okay, I'm going to take it aside. Oh. So the problem is I have to just make it like at group, Control G. Okay, now it is group together. So I just, where was my, so this is vector shape. So what is this? What is this? I don't know, man. What is this? I'm going to delete it. So now there are lots of option here. So I'm not going to explain all the step because I'm just making the video for absolute beginner. So I think you learn something from here. So let's like show you lots of other things here. So as you can see that alignment there, it's open as constraint. If I just click here, my add to cart is like moving somewhere. Okay, if I just click middle, just here. Okay, so this way you can make use constraint. Okay, so I hope you learned something from my video. So thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe my channel because I make video on Figma and design tutorial. Okay, so thank you for watch once again. I will see your beautiful face in the next video. So thank you.